Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Great. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay? Children, today we are going to learn a very interesting subject. Can you guess which subject we are going to learn today? Yes, from today onwards we are going to learn phonics subject. Okay? So, you are having this phonics skill book with you, right? My first step with Cambridge lower KG phonics skill book. From today we are going to learn phonics from this skill book. Okay? So, you have to take out this book. Okay? Come on, take out your book. Today we are going to learn phonics. Okay? Yes. So, children, before starting with this topic, I am going to tell you what is the meaning of phonics. Okay? Do you know what is the meaning of phonics? Yes, children? Do you have any idea what is meant by phonics? Yes? Very good. Phonics means the sounds of the letters. Okay? Now see, what you can see here on this page, letters are there and their sounds we are going to learn. Okay? In literacy subject, already we have learned the sounds of letters A to Z. So, with the help of that phonic sounds, we can make many words, okay? Like 2-letter words, 3-letter words, we can form as many as words with this phonic sound, okay children? So, today first we will revise the phonic sounds of letter A to Z. So, be ready, you have to fold your hands, sit quiet and you have to just observe, okay? Repeat after teacher. You have to repeat the sounds after teacher, okay? So, first letter, which letter is this?
A.
Yes, you have to say apple. Come on.
A. Apple.
Yes, it is apple. Next one.
B. Ball.
Repeat. Ball. Next letter.
K. Cat.
It's cat. Okay. Next one.
D. Dog.
Dog. After that, which letter is there? Letter E.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Fan.
Fan. You have to repeat after teacher, okay? You have to practice this phonic sounds. Next one is letter G.
Goat.
Goat.
Hen.
Hen.
Igloo.
Igloo. Jug.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Nest.
Nest.
Orange.
Orange.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Quilt.
Quilt.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Snake.
Snake.
Telephone.
Telephone.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Vulture.
Vulture.
Whale.
Whale.
Box.
Box.
Yak.
Yuck. And the last one is
zebra.
Zebra. Okay. So, these are the phonic sounds of letters A to Z. So these sounds we have learned in literacy. Okay children, now we have to practice this phonic sounds, and with the help of these sounds we can make lot many words. Okay, so now have you all understood the letter sounds? Yes, have you all understood the letter sounds of from A to Z? Yes, okay. So now children, I will show you something on the board. You have to pay attention, okay? First I am going to show you something on the board. I am going to write the letters. You have to observe it carefully, okay children? First, which letter will come? Yes? A. Very good. This is letter A and the sound is A, okay? Next one, B. Okay? Which letter is this? Next one, it is letter B. A, B, K, D, after D, A, after A, F, after F, G, G, yes, after G, H, that is H, after H, I, E, J, K, L, M, N, after N, O, after that which letter will come? Yes, P, P, Q, R, R, S, T, T, U, after that V, then W, X, Y and Z. So these are A to Z letters. What you can see here? Tell me, which letters are this? Yes children, tell me fast. Which letters you can see on the board? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. So all together these are 26 letters. How many letters are there? Yes, these are 26 letters. Okay. All together from A to letter Z, these are 26. So shall we count? Come on, count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So how many letters are there all together? There are 26 letters that you can see here on this board. Okay children. Now you just observe what difference you can see here in these letters. Teacher has written A to Z letters, okay, right? But from this few letters I have written in red color, okay. So have you all noticed which letters I have written in red color? Yes children, come on. Yes, very good. The very first letter is letter A. Which letter is this? A. I have written in which color? Red color, and remaining all the letters are in black color, okay. Few letters I have written with red color, okay, and remaining other they are in black color. So why I have written like this? So today I am going to teach you something different, okay children. See the first letter, that is letter A, okay. Next one, which is in red color? Yes, very good, letter E. Which letter is this? E. Next one, which letter is this? Very good, it's letter I. Next one, letter O. Yes. And one more is letter U. So see children, there are how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many letters are there written in red color? 5 letters. Which letters are they? A, E, I, O and U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are very special. Okay? These are special letters. Okay children? Out of this A to Z, these 5 letters, they are very special. Okay? So, one example I will give. Everybody, you all have friends at home, right? Out of that, you have some favorite friends, like they are very special to you, isn't it? So, in the same way, in this A to Z letter family, there are some special letters. They are A, E, I, O and U. Okay. So, have you all understood these 5 letters? These 5 letters. Now, open your page. Open page number. Yes. This page you have to open, page number 3. What you can see here is, see, today we are going to learn, already we have revised the letter sounds. Now we will see. Fold your hands, sit quiet.
Vowels and consonants. Vowels. Letters A, E, I, O, U are vowel.
So, see here, letters A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. What are they called? Vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S. Vowels. How many vowels are there? Yes, there are 5 vowels and they are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. These are 5 vowels. Okay.
Consonants. Letters other than vowels are consonants. These are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So, A, E, I, O, U. These 5, they are vowels. Okay. And the remaining one, what you can see here now? Remaining one means how many letters you can see? See here. B, repeat after teacher. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So these letters, they are known as consonants. What they are known as? They are known as consonants. Okay. How many are there? Yes, shall we count? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. How many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants. And how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Okay. 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Together they are 26 letters. Okay. So these are 21 consonants. Understood? So today we have seen just now about vowels and consonants. Yes or no? Yes. So now see here, vowels and consonants. Okay children? A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. Okay? And the letters other than vowels, they are known as consonants. Okay? Just now we have seen 21 letters. So they are consonants. Understood? Turn the page. Next page you have to open. Now see here. Now I am going to teach you the sounds. Okay? See the sound first. What is the heading? T-H-E, the. A, S-O-U-N-D, sound. So this is the A sound. Which sound is this? A sound. Okay? See here. A is a vowel, as in. Now we will see. You can see here a picture. Which picture is this? Bat. Very good. See here, first letter, which letter it is? B. And the middle one letter is A. And the last letter is T. So here A means it is a vowel. Okay? And these two are consonants. And one is the vowel. So we have seen a 3-letter word. That is bat. What is the word? Bat. Okay? Yes. Now here you can see children. See here. Here it is written B. Now in phonics you don't have to say the letters. Okay? Whenever I ask you for some if I show you some letters, you have to say their sounds. Okay? You don't have to say the letters, but you have to say the sound. Now see here. B plus A is equal to bat. Okay? Repeat after teacher. K plus A, cat. D plus A, da. F plus A is fa. G plus A is ga. Okay? H plus A is ha. Okay? J plus A is ja. L plus A is la. M plus A is ma. Okay? Yes. Now see here. N plus A is equal to na. P plus A is pa. Q plus A is qua. Okay? R plus A is ra. S plus A is sa. T plus A is ta. Okay? V plus A is va. W plus A is va. Y plus A is ya. Okay? So here, which words you can see? Bat. Come on, say after teacher. Bat. Next one is cat. Lad. Okay? So here we have seen how to form the words. Next page, here we can see some 3-letter words are there. Okay? Words with A sound. So see here, first letter is A and the second one is D. So A and D means add. Okay? Add. So see here, D plus add is dad. You can see the picture of dad? Yes. P plus add is bad. Okay? Yes. Now next one is am words. Am, am. Okay? See here. D plus am is damn. What it is? D plus am is damn. Now tell me which sound is this? Very good. J. J plus am is jam. Okay? Now see AB ab words. Okay? These are ab family words. AB ab. Okay? K plus ab is cab. Okay? Yes. N plus ab is nab. Okay? Now AT family words. Okay? H plus at is hat. Okay? R plus at is rat. Okay? Now see here AG ag family words. Ag family words. Okay? B plus ag is bag. What is this? Bag. T plus ag is tag. Okay? Now A and an family words. F plus an is fan. V plus an is van. Okay? Now AP app family words. K plus app is cap. Okay? T plus app is tap. Okay? Understood? Now I will show you some pictures. You have to observe it. Okay, children? Yes. Fold your hands. These are the different family words we have to practice daily. Okay? Yes? See here. Now what we have learned today? We have learned vowels. Okay? Vowels are the only letters that are said with an open mouth. Means we keep our mouth open while saying the vowels. Now see here. For example, A. Do we close our mouth while saying letter A? No. We open our mouth. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? We keep our mouth open while saying the vowels. Each vowel has more than one sound and can be silent with no sound at all. Okay? Each vowel, it have many it may have different sounds. Okay, children? Yes. So now vowels and consonants. Okay? How many vowels we have learned? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? And there are 21 consonants. Okay? They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are 21 consonants. Okay? 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay, children? Now tell me, I have shown you 80 at family word. Okay? Now tell me which word is this? Which picture you can see here? What it is? Very good. It is a bat. Which picture is it? Yes, it is a bat. And what is the spelling of bat? Come on, tell me fast. Very good. B means you have to say in phonics, okay? B, A, T, bat. What is this? B, A, T, bat. Okay? Next one is, which picture you can see here? Tell me fast. Very good. It is K, A, T, cat. What is this? It is K, A, T, cat. Okay? Next one. What is this? L, A, D, lad. L, A, D, lad. What is this? L, A, D, lad. Next one. Yes, very good. It is D, A, D, dad. Dad. What it is? Dad. Very good. Next one. What is this? Yes, very good. Pad. What is this? Pad. Next one. Yes, which picture is this? Very good. Bag. What is this? Bag. Next one. What you can see? Yes, very good. Tag. Which picture is this? It is tag. Tag. Next one. What is this? Very good. It is dam. Next one. Next one is jam. Which picture is this? Jam. Okay? Yes. So you have to practice this words at home. Okay? Which word is this? Fan. Which word is this? Which picture? Fan. Very good. Next one is very good. Van. It is a van. Van. Next one. Cab. Next one is nab. Okay? Yes. Next one is, which picture is this? Yes, very good. It is cap. Cap. Next one. Which picture is this? Very good. Tap. Next one is hat. And next picture is, which picture is this? Tell me fast. Rat. Okay? Understood? Yes. Okay, students. So today what we have learned from phonics skill book? Yes. Today we have learned phonic drill, that is letter sounds. You have to practice these sounds at home. Okay? Also we have learned vowels and consonants. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Okay? And how many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants. Okay? So you have to practice this vowels, consonants, also the phonic sounds at home. And also you have to revise this sound words at home. Okay? Understood? I hope that you all have understood this today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.